star anise has been called a miracle spice, because of its abilities to minimize the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. Also, anise tightens the skin, acting as a natural toner, thanks to its anethole and tannins content. You can see the first results of wrinkles disappearing just in 1 week. It's easy and inexpensive to prepare and unbelievably effective. You need 1/4 cup of anise, 1 cup of water. Boil the aniseed to make some tea. After the tea cools, strain it and store in a glass container. Use the tea to wash your face in the morning, paying special attention to your fine lines and wrinkles. Continue to use each day, and you should see your wrinkles and fine lines fade over the next few weeks. Your skin will be smooth and supple once more. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.